Cutting down on calories, a simple guide to healthier eating. Hello and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a very common phrase that you might have heard when people talk about diet and health. Cut down on calories. Understanding this phrase not only helps you with your English but also gives you insight into a topic that's important for everyone: healthy eating. When we say, cut down on something, we mean to reduce the amount or quantity of that thing. Calories refer to the units of energy that food provides to our bodies. So, the phrase, cut down on calories, simply means to reduce the amount of calories you consume through food and drinks. It's a common piece of advice for those looking to lose weight or maintain a healthy lifestyle. But why should someone consider cutting down on calories? Consuming more calories than your body needs can lead to weight gain and other health issues, such as heart disease and diabetes. By reducing calorie intake, you can help maintain a healthy weight, boost your energy levels, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. It's not just about eating less, it's about making smarter food choices. So, how can you cut down on calories without feeling deprived? Here are a few tips. Choose nutrient-dense foods. These are foods that are high in nutrients but lower in calories, like fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins. Watch your portion sizes. Sometimes, it's not what you eat but how much of it you consume. Be mindful of hidden calories. Beverages and snacks can contain more calories than you might think. Opt for water or herbal teas instead of sugary drinks. Cook at home. This way, you have full control over what goes into your food and can make healthier choices. We hope this video helps clarify what it means to cut down on calories and why it might be a good idea for your health. Remember, it's all about balance and making informed choices about what you eat and drink. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this information useful. Stay tuned for more helpful English language lessons and tips on living a healthier life.